Hey, how's you going? Thanks to be here. Yeah. Today I bring you a pack of licks. Yes. You will find the tabs on Soundslice and Guitar Pro on my and PDF, of course, on my Patreon here. The link in the description of this video. But the idea today is to play a few licks and explain, make an explanation about what I am playing, so let's start. I will use the metronome, it's in 102 BPM, it's good for this. This is a rhythm, so let's go. Lick number one. 1, 2, 3. So lick number one. What I am doing here, well, it's box number one. Remember, I use always hybrid scale, which is a mixing of minor and major pentatonic scale. I have a special lesson on my Patreon about hybrid scale with all the patterns. It's kind of blending minor and major pentatonic scale to get this sound. What I am doing here, so it's box number one of minor pentatonic scale, the key of A. That's my key, and I start here, which is the fifth of my A, and immediately, instead playing minor pentatonic scale, I play the sixth, which is kind of an hybrid, I hybridize my minor pentatonic scale with my major pentatonic scale. Root with vibrato, No, yes, minor pentatonic scale, the flat seventh and the fifth again. The fourth, blue note, flat third, major third, and I finish in the root. Minor third, major third, root. Again. Remember the tab here on the description, So lick number two, I will stay here in my box number one of A, and I will hybridize my minor pentatonic scale with my major. Again, metronome. What are we doing here? Minor pentatonic scale. Here that's my flat third, the minor third. As you can see, I bend it a little bit, which is a quarter bending, in order to destabilize my flat third, flat third, third, minor third, major third. This is really used in blues. I have a lesson about this on my Patreon, the microtones. So flat third, pentatonic scale. Okay, minor, major third. This hammer. Hammer or picking. And I finish on my flat third. And I finish, on my root, which is A. That's my chord, A7. Vibrato, that's good, sounds good, vibrato on the root. So next lick, metronome. I will stay here in the same area. 2, 3, 4, 1. What I'm doing here. box 1, hybrid. I start here, which is the 5th of my A. That's a classic movement. The 5th and the 6th. Root. 5th, 6th, root. Minor, major, 3rd. The 6th again, 2nd octave. The 6th here, the 6th here, yeah. 5th, root, root. 2 octaves of the same root. Yeah? Yeah? On my A, huh? That's nice. Be careful with this jump, yeah? I use ring and index. Yeah, so that's my box. You know, you have to practice this in order to play it with precision, yeah? And I use down, down. Yeah? So next idea, next lick or phrase, I'm still here in this box. Hybrid and the metronome. 2, 3, 4, 1. 3, 4, 1. 3, 4, 1. 3. So what I'm doing here, I start in this box, as I told you, the 5th with the 6th, not the flat 7th. This is not the minor pentatonic scale, it's a major pentatonic scale, yeah? Oh, what is this? That's my blue note. Yeah, it's the blue note of my box 5. Yeah, which is the same note here or here. You know, it's the same. So, nice, yeah? Practice that. Minor, major, 3rd, root 5. With my ring finger I play root 5. I'm rolling my fingers in order to play. And now double stop. Flat half step before in order to play my 5th of my 3rd of A. Yeah, we do this. That's nice, huh? Rolling. Yeah. Sounds great for over the shuffle. And the last lick for today, same position with a little more sophisticated, yeah, with more passing notes, yeah, with more chromatic. So this is the lick. I put the metronome. 3, 4. 3, 4. 3, 4. 3, 4. Yeah. What I am doing here? Well, that's my 5th, and I do a pickup, yeah. An anticipation from the blue note with my ring finger. Then with my middle finger I play the flat 7th, which is part of my minor pentatonic scale, the G note here. The 9th, yeah, outside, that's part of my major pentatonic scale, yeah. The hybrid, yeah, also Mixolydian, but I prefer thinking this as a minor major pentatonic scale, yeah. Yeah, that's pentatonic scale, it's the 4th. Again, minor major 3rd with this hammer. And now root, again rolling my ring finger, root 5th. picking is up, up. Yeah. And now descending chromatically to the major third. Blue note, fifth, major third. Root. Major third, root, da, da. That's a super bluesy ending, eh? Again, pick up to my fifth, the ninth, the fourth. Yeah, this is an enclosure over my major third. Yeah. So that's it. I hope you like this sequence of licks. Remember, you can download the tab in Soundslice, Guitar Pro, and PDF, of course, on my Patreon page. And well, thanks to like and subscribe. Thank you very much.